soft, fluffy, nutritious. Welcome to Whada Gravy's 5 minutes timer challenge recipe. I'm starting the timer now. Switch on the stove and heat a frying ladle. Add 3 tablespoons ghee or clarified butter. You can also use butter or any cold-pressed oil. I'm using country eggs. Break and add the eggs to a bowl. Country eggs are smaller in size, have a thicker shell and not always white. Add 1/4 to half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon Himalayan rock salt, or according to taste. Beat well. The secret to a good fluffy omelette is 1. The eggs should be at room temperature, and the second one is to beat the eggs well until they are frothy. The yolks of country eggs are always darker. These hens are fed naturally and are antibiotic and hormone-free. Pour half of the beaten egg mix into the ladle. Add 1/4 cup of grated cheese. Sprinkle some coarsely crushed red chili flakes. Top up with coriander leaves. Gently press with a spoon. Cook on a medium-low flame. You can also use parsley leaves, dried herbs, or any greens of your choice. Top up the cheese and coriander leaves with the other half of the beaten egg mixture. Cover with a lid. This ensures faster cooking. While the cheese omelette is getting cooked, let us prepare the salad. Slice a few pieces of cucumber. And tomato. You can use any salad vegetables that you have. I've also kept some mustard microgreens to be served with the omelette. Time to check our ladle omelette. Remove the lid. The omelette is partially cooked. Rotate the ladle slightly so that the liquid portion settles around the sides. Loosen the edges using a spoon. And flip the omelette over. Microgreens are fun to grow, healthy, and can be inexpensive. They are packed with nutrients, fiber, and help regulate blood pressure. For those of you who are interested, I posted a video on how to grow microgreens from your kitchen right from scratch and the method of growing along with a time-lapse video. There is also a salad video using microgreens. You can find the link for both in the description box below. As the edges have to be cooked a little more, I'm covering it with a lid for a few more seconds. Eggs are a good source of protein and contain many important nutrients like folate, vitamin A, B6, B12, vitamin E, vitamin D and K, and also minerals, phosphorus, calcium, selenium, and zinc. Now the omelette is ready. Transfer to a plate. And serve along with the sliced cucumber tomato pieces. and the microgreens. Season with salt and pepper powder. Have this with toasted bread or any other cereal, and it makes for a complete breakfast. When the omelette is cut, you can see that it is really fluffy and also the melted cheese inside. Enjoy hot. If you like my videos, do subscribe and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Join me on Saturday for another interesting recipe.